Today in Crypto. China's National Development and Reform Commission is seeking public opinion on the inclusion of crypto mining in its list of phased-out industries. The call for public comments by the country's macroeconomic planning agency was contained in a release issued on Thursday.Continue Reading on Coin Telegraph. The Iota Foundation has announced the release of its beta version smart contract functionality, with the objective to solve market challenges of scalability limitations and high transaction fees, as well as reportedly debuting components not witnessed thus far in the space. Iota's nonprofit foundation is focused on open-source research and development initiatives to drive adoption in the distributed ledger technology space, alongside its native platform, the Tangle.Continue Reading on Coin Telegraph. FTX, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, has raised $420 million in fresh funding, bringing its total valuation to $25 billion. The firm officially announced Thursday that FTX's operator, FTX Trading, has completed a new Series B1 fundraise involving 69 investors, including Ontario Teachers' Pension Plan Board and Singapore state investment firm Tangle.Continue Reading on Coin Telegraph. Cardano's smart contract functionality is attracting the hottest projects in DeFi to the blockchain. With 100 DeFi projects already on the blockchain, Cardano is becoming a hotspot, with over 2,300 more waiting to be deployed. Uniswap, Cardano's decentralized exchange, looks set to battle Uniswap and PancakeSwap alongside its Cortex and Liquid. Cardano is on the verge of another massive run as more projects deploy to the blockchain. Could its price hit $5 in the future? Third-generation blockchains were developed to rival Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano is the top-rated third-generation blockchain and has been dubbed an ETH killer. From its buyer and development stage, Cardano has caught the eye of developers because of its robust roadmap and functional utilities. The Ethereum blockchain, which has led the DeFi wave due to being the first to incorporate smart contracts, has over 3,500 DeFi solutions. However, due to scalability issues with the chain, developers are now switching to other chains, and with the launch of Alonzo, Cardano has set the stage to finally challenge Ethereum. Smart contract functionality has been huge for Cardano, which was a people's favorite. With speed, decentralization, global reach, and top-notch security, Cardano is set to rival Ethereum and become the hub of DeFi as ETH2 faces delays. The Alonzo era has already gotten underway, with about 100 dApps now deployed on Cardano, with many more pending. Q4 will see many amazing projects launched on Cardano, from decentralized exchanges and NFT solutions, to gaming and more. The NFT boom took the world by storm last year and has come even further this year. CNFT will become Cardano's NFT hub to rival other chains. Already being compared to OpenSea, CNFT, which launched in July 2021. Will unite the Cardano ecosystem. The platform launched even before the Cardano upgrades, with assets being traded without smart contracts. CNFT has over 170,000 assets on the platform, recording over $1 million in sales. The CNFT platform is a growing decentralized ecosystem giving lots of power to users. Users can mint and trade NFTs while also investing in the platform. SundaySwap, a platform's decentralization exchange, can reshape and gather traction around its chain. SundaySwap is a decentralized exchange on the Cardano blockchain, and is now amongst the most sought-after projects on the platform. Already being compared to Uniswap and PancakeSwap, the first and second largest DEXs based on Ethereum and BSC respectively, SunSwap is expected to become a force to be reckoned with among DEXs. The platform allows peer-to-peer transactions for crypto assets with a user-friendly system. Users can trade, stake, lend and borrow their assets on the platform. Ardana is a non-chain-backed stablecoin on Cardano. The utilities of Ardana involve minting, transfers, staking, lending, etc. In addition, Dana users can store cryptocurrencies in a wallet compatible with Ardana and harness the possibilities of DanaSwap, a decentralized exchange for stablecoin pools. A user can easily take a dust loan by putting up collateral in ADA. As with other DeFi loan protocols, the collateral is more than the loan. making it impossible to fall below the benchmark. The Dana token is the native token of the platform and can be staked by users to earn ADA. AllTime is a unique protocol because it embraces a cross-section of DeFi solutions. It enhances the lending, borrowing, and funding of new DeFi projects on the Cardano blockchain. AllTime is the launchpad of the platform, which will bring decentralized financing to the dApps on Cardano. AllTime provides many ways in which projects can kick off, with the community at the center of these developments. This means that projects launching via AllTime have an advantage in the market because they already have a community rallying around them. AllTime plans to launch a DEX in the future, adding even more value to the ecosystem. On the flip side, a multiplicity of DEXs on the platform may lead to unhealthy competition on the blockchain, restricting growth. The mass adoption of these dApps is threatened by bigger dApps on other chains and ETH2. The future of Cardano is a third-generation blockchain that is finally living up to its ETH killer moniker thanks to its Alonzo upgrade. Currently, ADA sits as the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, hitting the $3 mark after the launch of Alonzo. The launch of smart contracts, and the rollout of dApps, will lead to a massive price boost for ADA, with bulls even setting their sights on $5 as ADA receives more adoption. It is quite possible that, next year, Cardano will become a DeFi hub with leading protocols in NFTs, stablecoins, and DEXs, among others. Why you should care. The utilities of the new dApps on the Cardano network are innovative, encouraging community participation. Should these dApps gain enough traction, the value of the blockchain will soar, and the Cardano blockchain is already scalable, so it can handle the increasing transactions. Email newsletter. Join to get the flip side of crypto. Upgrade your inbox and get our daily coin editors picks 1x a week delivered straight to your inbox. Contact Form 7. You can always unsubscribe with just one click. Continue reading on Daily Coin. Read in the digest. Bitcoin, BTC, sets new all-time high. Valkyrie prepares to launch the second Bitcoin ETF. Ethereum crosses $4,200 to close in on ATH. Total value locked in DeFi surpasses $100 billion. Investing giant PIMCO is venturing into the crypto space. AMC Theaters could issue its own cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, BTC, sets new all-time high. Valkyrie prepares to launch the second Bitcoin ETF. As the crypto community predicted, the launch of the first Bitcoin futures ETF has helped the price of BTC shatter its all-time high, jumping by more than 5% after ProShares Bitcoin ETF went live on NYSE. Bitcoin set a new high at $66,930. The 5-day price chart of Bitcoin, BTC. Source: TradingView. While Bitcoin currently trades at $66,329, the crypto community is anticipating more gains in the coming days. Valkyrie is preparing to launch the second U.S. Bitcoin ETF in the same week the crypto space received its first from ProShares, revealing that the ETF will launch on Friday, October 22. A spokesperson from Valkyrie said, "The Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy Fund will begin trading on a Nasdaq exchange on Friday." The firm planned to trade under the ticker BTFD but changed back to the originally planned BTF. Flipsider: while Bitcoin has just set a new ATH, experts believe this is the least ideal time to acquire the digital asset. Why you should care. With the first Bitcoin ETF sending the price of Bitcoin past $66,000. We could possibly see Bitcoin crossing $70,000 after the second ETF launches. Ethereum crosses $4,300 and closes in on ATH. Total value locked in DeFi surpasses $100 billion. The excitement that sent Bitcoin past its ATH has also engulfed Ethereum, sending the price of ETH past $4,300. Gaining more than 10% in 24 hours, ETH has set a new 6-month high of $4,361. At the time of this writing, the price of ETH had settled at $4,228. There is also increased activity in the ecosystem, as the daily trade volume of ETH also shot up to a 30-day high, with $25 billion in ETH traded in 24 hours. The 5-day price chart of Ethereum, ETH. Source: TradingView. As the price of Ethereum erupts, so has a product of its blockchain, DeFi. As the crypto industry pumped, The value of assets used in the decentralized finance sector crossed $100 billion for the first time. The total value locked in DeFi projects over the last 90 days. Source: DeFi Pulse. The value of the DeFi sector now, October 21st, stands at a record high of $104.15 billion. The multi-chain protocol, AAVE, is the largest DeFi project with $17.78 billion locked, while DAO Maker follows with $15.9 billion. Flipsider: while the crypto market cap has hit a new ADH, the world's second largest crypto project, EDH, failed to eclipse its May 12th high of $4,362. Why you should care. The recent price pump just highlights the growth of the DeFi sector. In January, the total value locked in DeFi was $25 billion, 76% less than it is today. Investing giant PIMCO is venturing into the crypto space. PIMCO, a $2 trillion investment firm, is considering a move to increase its exposure to digital currencies. The fixed income giant currently has over $2.2 trillion in assets under management. PIMCO has previously dabbled in cryptocurrencies via crypto-linked securities. However, the investment firm has now revealed that it is looking at potentially trading certain cryptocurrencies. According to Daniel Iveson, the chief investment officer of PIMCO, the firm plans to gradually increase its exposure to cryptocurrencies. This move is part of its trend-following strategies or quant-oriented strategies. 2021 has seen institutions pile investment into cryptocurrencies. According to a Nickel Digital Asset Management survey, 62% of global institutional investors with zero crypto exposure plan to make their first investments within 12 months. Flipsider: investment banker Jamie Dimon believes that regulators will regulate the hell out of cryptos. Why you should care. PIMCO's venture into crypto shows increasing adoption amongst institutional asset managers who have been rather slow to embrace cryptocurrencies. AMC Theaters could issue its own cryptocurrency. The chief executive of the American movie theater chain, Adam Aron, has hinted at AMC Entertainment delving deeper into the crypto space by launching its own crypto. In the last month, AMC began accepting Bitcoin and later Dogecoin. In an interview, AMC CEO Adam Aron stated that the multinational entertainment giant has made a lot of noise about getting hyperactive in cryptocurrency in the last few months. He also added that AMC could become an issuer of cryptocurrency and also become a successful redeemer of cryptocurrency. In addition, Aron noted that issuing crypto is one of the ideas that AMC is working towards. Flipsider: regulators have made it difficult for companies including Facebook, Nasdaq FB, Kik, and Telegram to issue a cryptocurrency. Why you should care. AMC is one of the more interesting companies to keep an eye on in the last quarter of the year, as it plans to add Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash to its list of accepted cryptos before the end of the year. Email newsletter: join to get the flip side of crypto. Upgrade your inbox and get our daily coin editors picks 1x a week delivered straight to your inbox. Contact Form 7. You can always unsubscribe with just one click. Continue reading on Daily Coin. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.